Hi everyone. I just wanted to give you an overview of the Blackboard that you will be using for the class. On our left is the menu. You'll click on each one of these little links right here, and then that'll get you to those sections. Every week I'll be posting an announcement, and usually you'll have the latest announcement will be on top, and you should also receive a notification that there's any content that's been updated to the site. Course content, everything is broken up into modules. At the end of each module you'll have a quiz and also an exam. Each part will have quizzes. Those quizzes and exams will be found at the bottom of each module, and I'll start posting the quizzes and exams by the end of this week. And then of course we have the calendar. But one more thing about the course content. Within the course content you'll have the labs. Right now the labs, the way I would like you to turn them in is just via email. As of right now, that's a method of that I would prefer to just send in your email, send in your answers via email. I'll probably work on creating forms later, but for now, if you're working ahead, send your answers via email. Calendar kind of give you when it comes through here. As I was saying, the calendar will give you an idea as far as throughout the whole semester where you should be or what you should be working on. For example, this is our first week, so we should be looking into the introduction as far as the discussion is concerned, chapter 1, and then by the end of that week or this week you should be finishing up chapter 1, and then following next week on a Monday you'll have your quiz, and then you'll begin with the next section and also start working on the labs online as well. That being said, the deadlines that you have on here posted, it's not set in stone, so if you can't complete your quiz on the 18th or whatever date that's been marked, or even the exam, that's okay. You won't get any points taken. But the calendar is there for you to give you an idea what you should be working on throughout the whole semester. When you click on the agenda, it will give you a list of the items that you should be working on as well. If you haven't read it yet, the syllabus, this is our meeting dates, meeting times, and where we will be meeting. The best way to get a hold of me is again by email, and if you're going to scroll through here, just to give you an idea of my expectations, and again how the point system is broken down, again the schedule for the class, and some of the grades that you'd expect to fall within the point system that you have in here. And as far as discussions are concerned, every week I'll be posting a discussion. They are graded. You get a certain number of points for each time that you contribute within each week. And again, if you have any questions about discussions, you can post them on the discussion board, and also you can send me an email. Last but not least, the links is just some suggested places if you have time, if you want to get a little bit more in depth with some of the things in geology. There's some interesting links on here. Converting, there's a couple conversion problems on the lab, some information about the mapping, how to determine latitude and longitude, how that's determined, and an overview in geology. And if you're interested in Illinois geology, here's an interesting link about the Illinois geology. Again, this is where you'll spend most of the time to find materials for the class. If you have any questions, just send me an email.